In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background music to your videos. Hey everyone, it's Becca, and to be able to do this, we'll be using Veed, the online editing software. You can join for free today with the link in the description, or you can search for Veed, V-E-E-D, in your search engine. Once you have signed up and logged in, you'll be prompted to begin a new project. Hit the Upload a File button and search for the video you wish to add music to. Veed will then upload your footage. This could take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your file size and Wi-Fi speed. Once your video has been imported, you can hit play to watch it back. You can hear that there is rain in the background of this video. To be able to add music to the background, click the Upload button in the tab on the sidebar. Then click Upload Audio and find the audio file you wish to use. This will then be added to your timeline. Down here you can also see that my audio file is a lot longer than my video file. To be able to adjust the duration, click and drag on the side buttons and make it to the duration you want it. You can then click and drag the file along the timeline. To be able to zoom in on your timeline, click the plus button. We can now press play and hear how it sounds. If you want to adjust the audio level for the music, click on the music in the timeline and this will open up the Edit Audio window. Here you can drag the button to the percentage of volume that you want. If you want to mute the video clip itself, click on the video in the timeline and this will open up the Edit Video window. Click the mute button and it will mute the video. When you're happy with your video, go ahead and click the Export button in the top right. You can choose a preset for the resolution. I'm going to select HD. And when you're ready, click the Export Video button. Veed will then render your video. This could take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your file size and Wi-Fi speed. When your video has finished rendering, you can hit the play button one last time to make sure you're happy with your final video. If you want to re-edit anything, go ahead and click the Edit Video button and this will take you back into the editing studio. If you're happy with your video, you can download it by clicking the Download MP4 button and this will be saved directly to your computer. And that's how quick and easy it is to add background music to your videos. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. Don't forget you can join Veed for free today with the link in the description, and for more easy to follow editing tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.